What's up everyone? I know I've been away for a while, but I wanted to put together this short video about the Adobe Terminator challenge. Now they give you all of the clips for the previous Terminator trailer and they just want you to remix it into a 1 minute long, basically mini trailer. So they give you all the shots and they give you some dialogue and they want you to get creative with it, add in some sound effects, and then they give you some music tracks to put in on the background to basically give the trailer some life. Now the challenge ends on October 7th, so if you don't have any time to put something together, you should at least go to the website, Adobe website, just type in Adobe Terminator, and you can get all the assets so that you can put something together for yourself if you aren't able to meet the deadline. I found out about it about 4 days ago, so you do have enough time to put something together because all you have to do is chop together the clips and then maybe add in the dialogue and then add in the sound effects and just wrap it all off with some type of track that they give you. Any track that really fits. So without further ado, here's my trailer.
August 29, 1997 was supposed to be Judgment Day. But I changed the future. Saved 3 billion lives.
You may have changed the future, but you didn't change our fate.
The whole body's a weapon.
Nobody else is gonna die because of me! If you don't make it, everybody dies!
The whole body's a weapon.
Nobody else is gonna die because of me! If you don't make it, everybody dies!
Now many people would use Adobe Premiere for something like this, and only Adobe Premiere. And I don't really like to work this way because Premiere has a lot of limitations when it comes to audio type work. So what I would do is wrap it up in Premiere as far as the edit goes, then send everything over to Audition, and then with Audition I have a lot of control, and I can also autoplay my audio clips because I have a very huge library. So when I'm going through the different sound effects, I can actually hear what it sounds like without having to get my file, send it over, and then if I don't like it, I have to send it back out and put something back in and all this. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the process of bringing in audio in Premiere. Now with Audition, you can autoplay things and you can work through a lot of stuff a lot quicker. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little trailer. Now there are some prizes that do come with, of course, winning the contest. And you do have to belong to a certain number of countries in order to be eligible for the prize and everything. But if you want to do it just for fun, go ahead and do it. So that's it from me. I'm out.